export portfolios in text format. We've seen a similar enhancement in the August release, in which we exported electronic portfolios in the KBART format. So this is a very similar process. Some of the third parties only accept the text format, and you basically want to export a text file with all of the portfolio info in it. And let's see how we create the process that exports portfolios in a text format, and then we'll take a look at the text file result. Okay, Alma menu. Run a job. And the type of job is export. And export electronic portfolios. Next. And now we select a group, a set of electronic portfolios. Let's try this one, Advanced Theory and Practice in Sport Marketing. Let's see, I think I had one. Civil War articles, great. This is the set I've created ahead of time. Next. And in the output format, this is the existing options, and we have a new option here, the text schema. Number of records in file. If you select one file, then for every electronic collection, the portfolios will be in one file. And you can alternatively set a limit on how many portfolios in a file, in which case several files will be created. Export into folder. This is the folder in Alma. It can be in your private folder or in your institutions folder. I'll leave it on private. FTP configuration is if you want the file to be placed on some FTP server. So I can select my FTP server. And here, of course, you can define the subdirectory within the server. And Alma link resolver base URL, this will be concatenated to the URL parameters in the portfolio. So every institution should be familiar with their Alma link resolver base URL. And you can see here an example of what that might look like for an institution. Those who are not familiar can check with Libris and find out. So we're just going to provide our whatever happens to be our link resolver URL. Next. And job scheduling as soon as possible. Review and confirm. The set of portfolios is called Civil War articles. Schedule as soon as possible. And submit. Job is initializing. Running. We can see the progress over here. And we're done. The job is now completed. Export electronic portfolios, Civil War articles, and we should now have a text file, right? The status was completed successfully. Actions report. Okay, so notice that it skipped a few records. It skipped records that were not active. And this can actually be configured to also, when we created the job, we could have also defined it to export the ones that are not active as well. But we have 84 records that were exported. And we have here a link to our text file. So let's open that. Export portfolio. This is the actual link to the file. And we'll open it. And we can see here the file, exported text file. The first row is the different attributes of the portfolio, the name, interface name, publication title, print identifier, etc. Here you can see in the URL that it was concatenated with our link resolver URL. This is the one we manually entered. And basically we have here all the different portfolios with the information. So that is how you export electronic portfolios in the text format.